In fields where humble flowers bloom, a fragrant breeze dispels the gloom. A sturdy plant, both wild and sweet, behold the wonder, ancient buckwheat. Did you know that buckwheat, a humble seed often mistaken for a grain, has nourished civilizations for centuries and holds incredible health benefits? Buckwheat's journey from ancient cultures to modern superfood status is as fascinating as it is inspiring. Not wheat nor grain, but seed so fine, a gift bestowed by hands divine. From Asian hills to Europe's plain, it fed the hearts of those in strain. Unlike wheat or barley, buckwheat isn't a grain, it's a seed from a flowering plant related to rhubarb. Its resilience allowed it to grow in poor soils and harsh climates, making it a lifeline for communities throughout history. For in its story, we can see the bond of health and history. O buckwheat, bloom where soil is bare, and teach us love, for you still care. Buckwheat originated in Southeast Asia, cultivated over 8,000 years ago. From there, it traveled along the Silk Road, becoming a staple in Eastern Europe and Russia. Known as kasha in Slavic countries, buckwheat fueled peasants and soldiers alike with its hearty and nutrient-packed power. It reached Tibet and the Himalayas around 2000 BCE. Evidence of buckwheat pollen in Japan dates back to 4000 BCE. While the Byzantine Greeks introduced buckwheat to Eastern Europe, its cultivation and use continued to evolve over time. In the late Middle Ages, buckwheat was introduced to Russia around 1000 years ago, reportedly by Greek monks. The Russians called it grechka, reflecting its Greek origins. Since the 12th century, it has been a staple on peasant tables. It grows well in harsh Russian climates and even in poor soil conditions. Its blooms, like stars, in white array, attract the bees by light of day. Its roots embrace the soil below, where other plants might fail to grow. Cultural integration. Buckwheat has become deeply ingrained in Russian culture still even today. The saying, cabbage soup and kasha that's our food, highlights its importance in traditional diets. It's a key component of frontline cuisine, symbolizing resilience during World War II. It was a crucial part of the soldiers' diet, being an important nutrient during the war. Grechka, buckwheat, with canned meat became the most iconic army food for Russian soldiers fighting against Hitler's Germany. Buckwheat is often included in Russian survival kits and is a go-to food during crises. European colonists brought it to North America in the 1600s. Interestingly, buckwheat became a staple in regions with poor soil, where other grains struggled to grow. In the United States, its popularity peaked in 1866 but declined sharply by 1900s. Due to increased imports of cheaper grains like wheat, corn and pseudo-grains also contributed to buckwheat's decline as a staple crop. Nutritional powerhouse. Buckwheat's recent resurgence is due to its impressive nutritional profile. It's naturally gluten-free, making it suitable for those with celiac disease. Rich in antioxidants, including rutin and quercetin. High in fiber, particularly insoluble fiber and resistant starch. Good source of minerals like magnesium, manganese, and zinc. Your rutin guards the heart from harm, a gentle shield, a soothing balm. Gluten-free and kind to all, your nourishment answers nature's call. Health benefits of buckwheat. Buckwheat is rich in essential nutrients that support thyroid health, such as zinc, vital for the synthesis of thyroid hormones and overall gland function. Selenium, a key component of enzymes that regulate thyroid hormones and protect the gland from oxidative damage. Iron, essential for the production of thyroid hormones, as iron deficiency is linked to hypothyroidism. Antioxidant properties. Buckwheat contains high levels of antioxidants like rutin and quercetin. These compounds reduce oxidative stress, a significant contributor to thyroid dysfunction. Hormonal balance and iodine synergy. While iodine is crucial for thyroid health, imbalances can lead to disorders. Buckwheat's nutrient profile may help regulate iodine absorption and usage, minimizing risks associated with both iodine deficiency and excess. The anti-inflammatory compounds in buckwheat could help prevent the inflammatory triggers that lead to these diseases. Generational consumption patterns, epigenetics. Regular buckwheat consumption may influence gene expression related to thyroid health. Over generations, this could promote a genetic predisposition toward robust healthy thyroid function. Heart health. Buckwheat is rich in rutin, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens blood vessels and improves circulation. It can help lower bad cholesterol and regulate blood pressure. Gut-friendly fiber. A single serving of buckwheat contains up to 6 grams of fiber, promoting healthy digestion and feeding your good gut bacteria. Gluten-free and low glycemic index. For those with gluten sensitivities or diabetes, buckwheat is a fantastic choice. It stabilizes blood sugar levels while providing slow-releasing energy. O buckwheat, rich in virtues true, what ancient wisdom lies in you. With protein pure and fiber strong, you heal the body all lifelong. Packed with micronutrients, buckwheat is a good source of magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, all essential for energy production and overall health. With all 9 essential amino acids, buckwheat is a complete protein, making it a favorite among vegetarians and vegans. In kasha warm or soba thin, your legacy flows deep within. From porridge bowls to pancakes round, in every dish, your joy is found. Culinary versatility. Buckwheat's nutty flavor and versatility make it a favorite in various cuisines. Asia, China and Tibet. Buckwheat noodles have been consumed for centuries in regions with short growing seasons. In Japan, it's used to make soba noodles. Russians use it for kasha, a popular porridge has been popular for 1,000 of years and even today, it is their generational healthy staple food. Korea. Buckwheat is used in dishes like naengmyeon, makguksu, and mamilguksu. A jelly called mamilmuk is made from buckwheat starch. India. Buckwheat flour, kutu ka atta, is associated with religious festivals like Shivratri, Navaratri, and Janmashtami. It's consumed during fasting days when cereals are prohibited. Italy. Pasta di grano saraceno, a buckwheat pasta from the Apulia region. Pizzoccheri, a buckwheat pasta dish from the Valtellina region. It's even used to make honey, with 1 acre producing up to 150 pounds in a season. Recipe. Gluten-free buckwheat pancakes without yeast, and no sugar. Ingredients. 1 cup buckwheat flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsweetened non-dairy milk, like almond or cashew, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, optional. Instructions. In a large bowl, mix buckwheat flour, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, combine non-dairy milk, apple cider vinegar, vanilla extract, and maple syrup, if using. Pour wet ingredients into dry ingredients and gently fold together until just combined. Do not overmix. Let the batter rest for 5–10 minutes while heating an oiled pan over medium heat. Scoop 1/4 cup portions of batter onto the heated pan. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, about 2–3 minutes, then flip and cook for another 1–2 minutes. Serve with your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, raw honey, maple syrup, or nut butter. This recipe is naturally gluten-free, vegan, and doesn't require yeast. The baking powder acts as the leavening agent, creating fluffy pancakes without the need for yeast or eggs. Enjoy delicious and healthy buckwheat pancakes. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between buckwheat and wheat. They are arguing about who is a better superfood. Buckwheat. Look, wheat, I don't mean to brag, but I'm a complete protein. I'm like the superhero of grains. Well, technically a pseudo-grain. Wheat. Rolling eyes. Oh, here we go. You are technically a pseudo-grain. That's just a fancy way of saying imposter. You're not even part of the grain family, bucko. Buckwheat. Offended, imposter? Excuse me, Mr. Gluten Overload, at least I don't make people bloat like a beach ball after dinner. Wheat. Huffs, gluten is what makes bread fluffy and delicious. People love me. They make baguettes, croissants, pizza. You're stuck being pancakes for hippies. Buckwheat. Smirking, pancakes for health-conscious foodies, thank you. Plus, I'm packed with rutin, which is amazing for heart health. What do you have? A carb-heavy resume? Wheat. Sarcastic. Oh, wow, rutin. Sounds so impressive. But let me remind you, I've been feeding civilizations for thousands of years. Without me, there'd be no sandwiches, no pasta. Buckwheat. Leaning closer. Civilization also invented medicine for all the issues you cause, diabetes, inflammation, gluten intolerance. Shall I go on? Wheat. Laughs nervously. Hey, some of those aren't directly my fault. And what about you? Ever heard of acquired taste? Besides, my fans love me for being low glycemic. I don't spike blood sugar like you eat. Even little toddlers eat me and feel great. Wheat. Gesturing wildly, but do they really enjoy it? They have to hide you in salads. Buckwheat. Gasps, how dare you? B. Buzzing in. Whoa, whoa, calm down, carbs. You're both important in your own way. Some of us enjoy a little variety, you know? Buckwheat and wheat, in unison, stay out of this, B. B. Yeesh, grains these days. Stay nutrition healthy and happy. I will see you in my next healthy nutritious episode. Let us honor buckwheat's name, its humble roots, its ancient fame. A seed of strength, both mild and wise, a food of earth, a gift that ties. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.